Hello and welcome again to another good Kikuyu lesson. And today, umuthi turarora ciega cia mwiri, the body parts. We mwega, karibu. Ciega cia mwiri, giki ni kiongo, kiongo, head. Okay? Kiongo. Then we have hair, juere, hair, rido, you can see, rido, when they are two, maido, good, inioro, nose, inioro, we have mouth, kanua, then we have ear, go to, then we have neck, gigo, shin, ikai, when there are two, makai, what about this part? Kereru, lips, meromo, eyelashes, butu, we continue. Woko, hug, okay? Woko. Then we have jara, okay? Jara. Then we have kiara, siaraige, siaraidatu, siarainya, siaraitano, siara, figures. Doara, nails. Doara, nails. Then we have rohe, the palm itself is rohe. Then we have elbow, kora, good. Let's go on. We have magego, ro, re, me, tongue, tongue. Kogoro, the knee is called, kogoro is leg. Then we have thigh. Thigh is quiero. Good. Let's go on. We have knee, iru. Okay. Then we have this part. This part of the leg is called modirimo. Then we have knee, itede, or yetede. Then we have this down part here, ikinya. Then we have the toes, siara, magoro. That's to say legs, figures. Oh, yeah, going on well. Then we have this chest, gedori. We talked about gigo, neck. We have shoulder, keade, when they are two, shiade. Then we have stomach, the abdomen, is called da. Da. You can see this word here. Da. Da. Nice. Let's go on. We have other body parts and their plurals here. We say rido, maido, inioro, manioro, guoko, moko, woto, mato, iru, maru. We have keade, shiade. We have keara, shiara. Then we have kanua, tonua. Then we have teeth, igego, magego. Then we have muere, body. When they are many, they will be mere, mere, muere, mere. So thank you for watching that short video. May God bless you. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, by the way? Unagoja nini? What are you waiting for? Please subscribe, like, share, comment. Let's grow this channel so that we may continue having fun, learning Kikuyu, how to read, and also how to write. And you always free to contact me with any questions. And I also offer personalized classes to grown-ups and also to kids. So if you want to learn Kikuyu, what are you waiting for? Come see me, and we are going to walk together in this journey of Learn Kikuyu with Teacher Martin. Make sure that you have subscribed. Make sure that you like. Make sure that you share with friends, that we may grow this channel, so that I may also be motivated to continue creating great content. May God bless you. See you in the next. Bye bye.